Okay, this is a clip together floor, and the deal was $300 to put the floor in this kitchen. So the first problem is this piece here was left out. This one here. Now I had to come back and cut that and put it in. Same thing with this one and this one. I had to cut those and put them in. He just left them go. Now here a smaller problem. Instead of pulling up the kickboards for the cabinets, the cove for the cabinets, he just ran it up to that instead of pulling them up, running it under, and then putting them back on. Same thing on this side. I ran some caulking in there so it wouldn't look so bad. The problem here was it was Friday and he wanted to install this in one day and get paid. He didn't want to come back on Monday and do a nice job. He wanted paid on Friday. This here, inside this summer, I had to go out and buy a piece of plywood and install them two pieces in that cupboard. Because he didn't want to take the time to buy the plywood, install it, and I'm going to kick them into Monday. Here is the biggest problem, by far. He ran the new floor up to where the old floor was. Didn't want to build the floor up to underneath the door and run that flooring right. And that's pretty bad. That floor should have run underneath the door and split the door so when you open and close the door, you can't tell what kind of flooring you have on either side of the door. And at this point, you're beat. But this is... He didn't want to come back on Monday and do a nice job. He just wanted to get it done. Now, how we handled this, we paid him his $300, and he never came back again. He never did another job for us again. That's how we handled it. So, that was a little disappointing to see that, how that was done like that. He also installed the cabinets, and I had to readjust a couple of them. The measurements were a little bit off, but I let that go, and we had him do the floor. But after that floor, that was it. He was done. So here's a floor that we did. We pulled the radiator out, put the flooring in, put the radiator back in. Now to do it like that, you'd have to call an HVAC guy, a